Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Search with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trend for keyword research, market analysis, and even tracking keyword rankings. So you can boost your SEO with Google Trends. You are on the right place. So let's start. First, open your Google account and type Google Trend. Once you type it Google Trend, then search on it. This one, googletrend.com. Click on there. Now you can see this type of dashboard in front of you. You can make account on there and then find the word which you want to write on there. So I can write Christmas. Now you can see the ratio of Christmas ranking on these days because Christmas is near. December is near, so Christmas is near. So you can see first I can choose the country of Pakistan and then they can show us these searches. Now you can change the country. How you can change the country? So you can click on this and then worldwide. Now Christmas, how to celebrate on and how to search on Google in this. So now it show us analysis United Kingdom 100% people search on there, Ireland, Slovenia, Canada, many other countries are searching on this. Now you can see related topic, related queries which are searches on Google. So every related information are present on there. Now we can see trending now. When you click on trending now, you can see which topics are trending nowadays. Now I can type and search United States, which topics are trending on today. Now this can be shown TD Jakes, Brandon Poker, Hannah, Christian. You can see how people searches on there. You can make videos, content on these topics because these topics are Google trend. People most search on this topic. Now you can click on home and this type of interface you can see it's work perfectly for your website, anything else for web blocking. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.